Good morning, students. Welcome to our part 5. Now I am going to tell about functions. So, guys, what is a function in C? A function is a block of code that performs a specific task. Instead of writing the same code again and again, we write it once in a function and call it whenever needed. So, what's the example of that? A function to add two numbers. Why we use functions? Makes programs simple and organized, avoids repetition of code, easy to debug and maintain, and improves the readability. So now I am going to tell about lesson 1, which is concept of function. A function has declaration which tells compiler about function. Number 2 is definition, which actual code of function. Number 3 call, which is using the function in main function. So general syntax: return underscore type function underscore name, start with first bracket, then parameters, end with first bracket, then start with second bracket and end with second bracket. So what's the example of that? Here greet is a function, like hashtag include less than stdio.age, then greater than, void greet first bracket, start with first bracket, end with first bracket, then start with second bracket, then printf, start with first bracket, double inverted. In the double inverted, first you have to write hello, then put a comma, then welcome to C programming. You can write anything. Here I write welcome to C programming, then put a exclamation sign, then end with inverted comma, then again end with first bracket, then comma, then end with second bracket, then write int main, then start with first bracket, end with first bracket, start with again second bracket, then greet function, then return 0. So here greet is the function. Now I am going to tell about lesson 2, which is user defined function. A user defined function is created by the programmer to perform a task, guys. So what's the steps of this? Declare the function, define the function, call the function. Example: add two numbers. Here add is a user defined functions. Now the lesson number 3 is system or predefined functions. So these are built-in functions already available in C libraries. We just use them, no need to define. Examples of that: function, what's the function, what's the purpose of that function, and what's the header file of that function. Number 1 is printf. The purpose of it is output, and the header file of it is stdio.h. Then number 2 is scanf. What's the purpose of it? The purpose of it is input, and then the header file of it is stdio.h. Then strlen, the purpose of it is length of string, and the header file of this is string.h.